So I'm at Port Sutton Bridge this morning and I'm videoing with the DJI Air 3S and they're unloading a couple of ships. This is the Baltic Star, which is being unloaded of some kind of bulk aggregate by the look of it, and they're unloading it into the tugs. And then a little bit further down the dock we've got the Aurora, which is being unloaded of a different cargo. As you can see, that's a palletised product, bricks or blocks, and they're unloading it with a forklift that they've put in the ship hold. And that's the Baltic Star. It's really good to see Port Sutton Bridge nice and busy. Okay, we're doing a lot of import, but at least it's keeping it busy and keeping people employed. Just in the background there you can see components of a crane that I understand they're going to build up to do a lift to load onto a ship for some generators that are going to be exported. Not quite sure if that's absolutely true at the moment, but we'll see.